Hey there, YouTube. Today on What's in the Box. Hey, I got a package from AAA Liners a couple days ago. Weather's been like garbage here in Bend, Oregon, so I'll take advantage of getting off a little work and some blue skies up here to check out what they sent me. First time getting something in the mail, so I'll do a little review, box opening, and see what we get. So here's the box that got sent in the mail. I'm excited to check it out, see what we get. AAA Liners. Yeah, we got it opened up, and inside is the goodie. So let's check and see what we get. Decent packaging, got it in a bag. I get the bag open up here, and it's kind of folded up, so let's unpack this thing. And it's going to be for the bed liner of my Pro, my 23 Pro. Short box, so it's a 5.5 foot bed. It looks like it's kind of a three-fold. Got a little ridge on it here. It's kind of cool to keep everything nice and clean. Has almost like a carbon fiber look to it in a way. Some ridges, like texture. It's kind of cool. I don't know, those dots are kind of cool looking. Just a little character for it. Let's slide this thing, turn it around the right way. Hold on a second. There we go. Of course, you gotta get facing the right direction. Sweet. Fits in the truck like a glove. It's been kind of chilly, so it hasn't really been able to be out and get warmth to make it kind of calm down a little bit inside the bed. But man, that's a tight fit. That's like perfect. I like that. It's pretty awesome. It's got this little lip around the whole rig, so I guess if you need to take it out and clean it, that would be awesome. Yeah, it's like just perfect. So if we had a little sunshine out here, I'm sure it'll calm it down a little bit. Let's close the gate just to see, make sure it does fit. Oh yeah, awesome. Open this back up. Yeah, that is sweet. And I got a bed extender, so I'm going to put that on real quick and see how well it does fit-wise on that. Cool. So I put the bed extender in, and you know what? It works out just perfect. It's not too thick, and this thing lays down pretty good with it. So that's awesome. Like I said, if we put a little sunshine to it, it'll flatten out. But yeah, this is a really nice bed mat. So check out AAA Liners. You can hit them up on Instagram. Get one for yourself. I believe they make them for the 6.5 foot bed also. But yeah, this is sweet. Got some texture to it, so if you put stuff in there, it's probably not going to slide around too bad. But yeah, check out AAA Liners, and thanks guys, AAA Liners for sending these over to me to check out. cool. Yeah, it fits like a glove. It's super convenient for the truck. It's lightweight. You can easily maneuver it. Like I said, it has like 3 folds on it, so you can, if you need to fold it up, take it out and wash it up, it's pretty easy to take out of there. And it works really good with that bed extender. Just fits nice and flush. I guess it's not quite carbon fiber look, but it has a, I don't know, this kind of cool texture that's pretty awesome. And anyway, check out AAA Liners if you need a bed mat for your Tundi, because it's good to keep your bed protected. And they're American product. Looks like they're in Salem, Oregon, based on the address on the package. So anyway, check them out. Give them a like. Subscribe on the channel here. Follow AAA Liners on Instagram and give them some love. And anyway, peace out. Hope you guys are well. Take care.